Hello everyone and welcome back to TUTOROU's channel. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of advanced English vocabulary. In this video I'm going to share with you an impressive list of 20 smart and interesting English words that advanced learners know and use on a regular basis. Test yourself and see how many you know. If you know the meaning of all these 20 words, your English is truly excellent. But before we get started, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Give this video a thumbs up and stay tuned until the end. This way, you'll always have top-notch free English tutorials right at your fingertips. Now let's get started. First, let me explain how to approach these words and how to learn them if you don't know their meanings already. For each word, I'll give you the spelling and pronunciation, followed by its meaning, its word class, and an example of how to use it in context. Here's a tip. After each word, pause the video, grab a pen and paper, write the word down, jot down our example sentence, and then create your own sentence using the word. Putting new words into context and making your own sentences helps you memorize them much faster. So without further ado, let's get started. Word number 1, eloquent. Eloquent, ELOQUENT. Let's all practice saying eloquent. Eloquent means having or showing the ability to use language clearly and effectively. Eloquent is an adjective. For example, the politician gave an eloquent speech that moved the audience to tears. Now pause the video and create your own sentence with the word eloquent. Word number 2, serenity. Serenity, SERENITY. Let's all practice saying serenity. Serenity is a state of being, meaning calmness and peace. For example, she found serenity in the quiet mornings by the lake. Serenity is a noun. Now pause the video and create your own sentence with the word serenity. Word number 3, ephemeral. Ephemeral, EPHEMERAL. Let's all practice saying ephemeral. Ephemeral means lasting for a very short time. For instance, the beauty of the sunset was ephemeral, fading quickly as night fell. Ephemeral is an adjective. Now pause the video and create your own sentence with the word ephemeral. Word number 4, quintessential. Quintessential, QUINTESSENTIAL. Let's all practice saying quintessential. Quintessential means representing the most perfect or typical example of a quality or class. For example, he is the quintessential gentleman, always polite and courteous. Quintessential is an adjective. Now pause the video and create your own sentence with the word quintessential. Word number 5, tranquility. Tranquility, TRANQUILLITY. Let's all practice saying tranquility. Tranquility means the state of being calm and peaceful. It is synonym with serenity, our previous word. For example, she enjoys the tranquility of the early morning before the city wakes up. Tranquility is a noun. Now pause the video and create your own sentence with the word tranquility. Word number 6, gaslight. Gaslight, GASLIGHT. Let's all practice saying gaslight. Gaslight means to manipulate someone by psychological means into doubting their own sanity. For example, he tried to gaslight her into thinking she was the one who was wrong. Gaslight is a verb. Now pause the video and create your own sentence with the word gaslight. Word number 7, pernicious. Pernicious, PERNICIOUS. Let's all practice saying pernicious. Pernicious means having a harmful effect, especially in a gradual or subtle way. For example, the pernicious influence of social media on teenagers' self-esteem is a growing concern. Pernicious is an adjective. Now pause the video and create your own sentence with the word pernicious. Word number 8, luminous. Luminous, LUMINOUS. Let's all practice saying luminous. Luminous means full of or shedding light, bright or shining. For example, the stars were luminous in the clear night sky. Luminous is an adjective. Now pause the video and create your own sentence with the word luminous. Word number 9, insatiable. Insatiable, INSATIABLE. Let's all practice saying insatiable. Insatiable means impossible to satisfy, having a strong appetite or desire for something. For example, she had an insatiable curiosity about the world around her. Insatiable is an adjective. Now pause the video and create your own sentence with the word insatiable. Word number 10, reluctant. Reluctant, RELUCTANT. Let's all practice saying reluctant. Reluctant means unwilling and hesitant to do something. For example, she was reluctant to try the new salad, but eventually she did. Reluctant is an adjective. Now pause the video and create your own sentence with the word reluctant. Word number 11, sanguine. Sanguine, SANGUINE. Let's all practice saying sanguine. Sanguine means optimistic or positive, especially in a difficult situation. For example, despite the setbacks, she remained sanguine about her chances of success. Sanguine is an adjective. Now pause the video and create your own sentence with the word sanguine. Word number 12, perfunctory. Perfunctory, P-E-R-F-U-N-C-T-O-R-Y. Let's all practice saying perfunctory. Perfunctory means carried out with the minimum of effort or reflection. For example, his greeting was perfunctory, lacking any genuine warmth or interest. Perfunctory is an adjective. Now pause the video and create your own sentence with the word perfunctory. Word number 13, esoteric. Esoteric, E-S-O-T-E-R-I-C. Let's all practice saying esoteric. Esoteric means intended for or likely to be understood by only a small number of people with a specialized knowledge or interest. For example, the professor's lecture on quantum physics was esoteric, fascinating to those who understood it. Esoteric is an adjective. Now pause the video and create your own sentence with the word esoteric. Word number 14, enigmatic. Enigmatic, E-N-I-G-M-A-T-I-C. Let's all practice saying enigmatic. Enigmatic means difficult to interpret or understand, mysterious. For example, her enigmatic smile left everyone wondering what she was thinking. Enigmatic is an adjective. Now pause the video and create your own sentence with the word enigmatic. Word number 15, apologetic. Apologetic, A-P-O-L-O-G-E-T-I-C. Let's all practice saying apologetic. Apologetic means showing or expressing remorse or regret. For example, he was apologetic for arriving late to the meeting. Apologetic is an adjective. Now pause the video and create your own sentence with the word apologetic. Word number 16, atrocity. Atrocity, A-T-R-O-C-I-T-Y. Let's all practice saying atrocity. Atrocity means an extremely wicked or cruel act, typically involving physical violence or injury. For example, the earthquake was described as an atrocity that shocked the entire nation. Atrocity is a noun. Now pause the video and create your own sentence with the word atrocity. Word number 17, sagacious. Sagacious, S-A-G-A-C-I-O-U-S. Let's all practice saying sagacious. Sagacious means having or showing keen mental discernment and good judgment, being wise. For example, the sagacious advice of the elderly mentor was invaluable. Sagacious is an adjective. Now pause the video and create your own sentence with the word sagacious. Word number 18, soliloquy. Soliloquy, S-O-L-I-L-O-Q-U-Y. Let's all practice saying soliloquy. Soliloquy means a speech in which a character speaks their thoughts aloud, often when alone on stage in a play or movie. For example, the actor delivered a powerful soliloquy expressing his character's inner turmoil. Soliloquy is a noun. Now pause the video and create your own sentence with the word soliloquy. Word number 19, paradox. Paradox, P-A-R-A-D-O-X. Let's all practice saying paradox. Paradox means a statement or proposition that seems self-contradictory or absurd, but in reality expresses a possible truth. For example, the concept of time travel creates a paradox where someone could change the past and alter the future. Paradox is a noun. Now pause the video and create your own sentence with the word paradox. And last but not least, we have a word number 20, mystical. Mystical, M-Y-S-T-I-C-A-L. Let's all practice saying mystical. Mystical means relating to mystical experiences or the belief in spiritual truths beyond human understanding. For example, the ancient ruins held a mystical aura, inspiring awe and wonder. Mystical is an adjective. Now pause the video and create your own sentence with the word mystical. And there you have it, folks. If you know these 20 words, your English is truly impressive. Keep learning and expanding your vocabulary every day. Until next time, happy learning, everyone.